Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to do headstand with support of wall. And before doing the headstand initial process, I would definitely want all of you to know that in case you have any kind of back injury, neck injury, arm injury, do not perform this asana. And also if you have a high blood pressure. So you need not to do this asana. You have very many other asanas which you can perform, but not the headstand. Okay, so for headstand, this is for beginners. You initially have to have good strength in your arms and your neck and backbone. Head is just the supporting thing. So now the very first thing which beginners needs to do is, before you lift your body and do the support of wall, before that you need to do few days of regular practice wherein you can make your balance, because balance is the most important thing in headstand. So I'll tell you how you can make your balance. So for headstand, you have to make grip of your fingers like this, and you have to measure your distance from your elbow to your wrist on the mat. So I'll do it this way so that you can see how I'm trying to balance my posture with support of my arms. So the very first thing is you have to sit like this, and then you take measurement from your elbow to your wrist, and then join your fingers here. Okay, and now the placement of your head. So once you are done with this, you have to make sure your hands are not in front or not too back. They have to be in the center of your head, slightly little backwards here, but make sure that it is not too much ahead or back. Okay, so now with this, we take the measurement, we put our hands here, and then we place our head in between our hands, and then we lift our body. Okay, so I understand few of people would be like this, so you need to close in your legs, feet as close as you can towards your body. So once you are here, you need to practice this. You need to keep practicing this so that your whole weight is on your head and your arms. Keep practicing this. Okay. So once you're confident in this motion and you feel that yes, your arms and your head can take your weight of your body, and then you will move towards the wall. And since you have to take support of the wall, make sure your mat is completely aligned with the wall and your hands should be as close as to the wall. Okay. From here, you take the measurement, place your head in between your palms, and then lift your body. For a few moments, you will keep doing that practice. Now from here, once you are confident, you will take one of your leg up, see how far the wall is. If you are able to touch the wall, good, do the same with your different leg. Now we are going to lift both of our legs together and hold here. Don't be in hurry to lift, straighten your legs. Just hold here, and then with support of wall, keep moving. Once you are here, just stay like this, and in case you are having any kind of problem in your head, neck or shoulders, very calmly get back to normal. Just don't perform the headstand. But in case you are feeling comfortable with support, just hold here. Once you feel confident, then lift your legs little ahead and just stay there. If you feel your body is not able to make enough balance, just go towards the wall and then stay there, and then slightly keep on doing this till the time you gain confidence that you will be able to stand without the support of wall. So once you are done with this headstand, now getting back, don't throw your body onto the floor. the way you got up, the similar way you need to come down. So with support of wall, come up till here, fold your legs and then slightly come down. Once you are down, do not hurry to get up because whole of your blood flow has gone towards your head, so you need to wait here. Put fist of your hands and then hold your body here for few more seconds. Just give a gentle movement to your neck towards right and left so the flow of the blood gets back to normal, and slowly move up. So this is the tutorial for the headstand for beginners. Make sure you are doing it very calmly, don't hurry up, take few days, practice it and then start it with support of wall and then without support of wall. In case you feel you need more tutorials on headstand with specific queries, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and wish you all very good luck with your first headstand.